बच्ची को बहुत ही स्पेशल फील कराया जाता है. शी इज गिफ्टेड विद अ लॉट ऑफ गोल्ड गिफ्ट्स, so many things to eat, and it's like a very congratulation type of ceremony for her. So yeah, it's Kerala. Yes, it's Kerala. So हिंदी में उसको केरल बोलते हैं. तो वहां पर okay, from Anindita Majumdar to all that, it's celebrated in Andhra Pradesh also. That's great. Thank you for this information. So the thing is, when this thing is celebrated in one part of India, so why it is kind of shame in the other parts? Uh, our journey, the base of our journey is uh, the base of our journey started with this concept only. Me and my sister Ruchita Sharma, we thought that periods is something that is a very hidden subject nowadays, and that is something that need to be corrected, that is something that need to be educated, that is something that need to be touched, and a very sensitive issue for all the females. तो हम लोगों ने सोचा कि क्या किया जाए. Then she suggested that I think we should do a door to door survey to see how many females are using clothes and how many of them using pads. That is our beginning concept to start this team. That concept and that time, when we don't even termed this team as Team Parinita, there was a thought, there are two sisters and we have initiated our mission. So there was a community nearby. I went there. That was the first survey which I did alone because my sister was ill at that time. So on 21st January 2018, I have started that survey. And मैंने रात को ही सैनिटरी पैड्स के पैकेट पैक कर लिए थे और फिर मैं गई वहां. And I was a bit nervous because even I was not knowing na कि when I just go there, and one thing was clear in my mind. I went there at 7:30 sharp in morning, Sunday morning, and I know that फीमेल्स तो चाहे संडे हो चाहे मंडे हो, बट फीमेल्स तो सबसे पहले जगती ही हैं घर की. दे आर ऑल अवेक. So one female was there, and she was just roaming in here and there doing some of her chores. I asked her that are you free, can I talk to you for a while? So she said yes, and her name is Rani. She is a very active member of our Parinita rally and all every year, and she is very sweet, very supportive. So I just asked her to tell me that how many people lives here and how the people are aware of this thing or not, and will they accept this concept. So she said yes ma'am, और चलो मैं आपको लेके चलती हूँ. And in this manner मेरी पूरी जितनी भी एक थोड़ा सा हेजिटेशन था, दैट जस्ट वेंट ऑफ. और उसके बाद हम लोग हर घर में गए, डोर टू डोर. हमने पूछा, मेरे हाथ में एक डायरी थी, मेरे हाथ में कुछ सैनिटरी पैड्स के पैकेट थे, वो मैं डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करती गई. एंड आई थिंक जब हमारा फर्स्ट सर्वे था उसका रिजल्ट ये था कि 15 फीमेल्स से मिली थी मैं. एंड आई गेस 8 to 9 females were using clothes, and rest are using pet. So that was the beginning. And then मेरे साथ मेरे दो स्टूडेंट्स साक्षी रुचिका ये जुड़े. उसके बाद मेरी फ्रेंड शिल्पी जुड़ी. फिर उसके बाद फातिमा जुड़ी, मेरी एक और स्टूडेंट. उसके बाद ऐसे करते करते ये कारवां बढ़ता गया, और फिर एक और स्टूडेंट थी ऋतु, वो जुड़ी. ऐसे करते करते हम लोग ने अपने सर्वेज करना स्टार्ट करे. धीरे धीरे करके हम लोग को और चीजें समझ में आई. तो व्हाट वी हैव स्टार्ट व्हाट we have started doing is, हमने पहले 2-3 सर्वेज में सैनिटरी पैड्स फ्री में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करे, हमने कॉन्ट्री करा और उसके बाद हम लोग लेके और फिर 4 पैड्स को रैप करके हम देते थे जो क्लोथ्स लगाती थी उनको, ये बोलते हुए कि हम ये आपको गिफ्ट दे रहे हैं with this expectation कि from next time you will purchase it and you will start using it instead of clothes. So हमें किसी ने सजेस्ट किया कि rather doing it for free we should charge it, so we have started doing it like that. Means हम उन्हें 5 रुपए के 3 पैड देते थे, ये हमने एक फिगर बना लिया था धीरे धीरे करके, ताकि उनको भी वैल्यू रहे कि हाँ ये फ्री की चीज नहीं है, क्योंकि डेफिनेटली जो चीज फ्री होती है उसकी कोई वैल्यू नहीं होती. आई जस्ट वांट टू कंफर्म, एम आई ऑडिबल गाइस? जस्ट कोई भी एक मुझे बता दो. ओके, ग्रेट. So that was the beginning of that journey, beautiful journey. That was the vision and that was the proud thing, I can say. Even that was a time we were not knowing, we were not sure that this will be a successful thing or not. हमारे दिमाग में ऐसा कुछ आया ही नहीं कि हम लोगों को कुछ फेल्योर मिलेगा आगे या ऐसा कुछ होगा. नो, बट वी वर वेरी होपफुल दैट हम जहां भी जाएंगे एक पॉजिटिव रिस्पॉन्स मिलेगा, और मिला. एंड धीरे धीरे हमें चीजें भी पता चलती गई. हमने क्या किया, वी गॉट कनेक्टेड टू द आंगनबाड़ी पीपल and then we asked them that are you getting a good supply of sanitary pads? So they said yes, but there was some contradictions, you know. When we are going to the community females are saying no, we are not getting the sanitary pads from Anganwadi. So there we just told them that government has a good supply of sanitary pads to the Anganwadi, from where you can get it in a very cheaper price than the market. Suppose in the market, if the sanitary pad is available in 40 rupees, there you can get it in 20, 22 or 25. So at least you are saving 15 rupees. So they said, okay. Then they've started purchasing it from the Anganwadis. Afterwards, हम लोग ने धीरे धीरे करके अपने सर्वेज के को और फास्ट किया. हम स्प्लिट होते गए, स्प्लिट होके हमारी 2 टीम बन जाती थी, एक कम्युनिटी में जाता था, एक दूसरे में. और ऐसे कर करके हमने, जैसा फातिमा ने बताया, हमने मोर देन अभी 65 सर्वे हम लोग अभी तक कर चुके हैं और अराउंड 2000 फीमेल से हम लोग अभी तक मिल चुके हैं. दिस इज द रेशो वाज इन स्टार्टिंग among 2000 females, almost 1300 to 1400 females were using clothes, and rest of the they were using sanitary pads, and 700 females were using clothes. Our motto was that this 700 females, they will turn up to here. They should start using sanitary pads. And yes, we can proudly say that from that 700 figure, after our surveys, that number turned up, that number which were in cloth team joined the sanitary pad team, almost 500 females. हमने हमारा सर्वेज रिव्यू करे, हमने फॉलो बैक सर्वेज करे, so that we can just know कि are they using it or not. But yes, luckily, fortunately, they are using it, and they always give us an honest review. Not a single time I remember that there was some mishappening, like हम गए हों और ऐसा कुछ हुआ हो कि हमें किसी ने भगाया हो या हमें किसी ने अब्यूज किया हो. नो नो नो, not even a single time. Or the best part, that slowly and gradually, even the male persons of those communities, they started connecting with us. Usually they ask, मैडम आप लोग किस लिए आए हो? तो हम उन्हें बताते थे आपके घर की महिलाओं को कुछ जानकारी देनी है उनके स्वास्थ्य से संबंधित. दे आर लाइक, अच्छा क्या जानकारी? इनिशियली वी वर लाइक आप बस उन्हें बुला दो, हम उन्हें ही बताएंगे। बट बाद में हम लोग बिंदास उनसे बोलते थे कि हमें उनको मासिक धर्म से संबंधित कुछ जानकारी देनी है। स्टार्टिंग में वो भी भाग जाते थे, बट धीरे धीरे वो लोग अपने घर की फीमेल्स को बुलाते थे ईगरली, और बहुत हैप्पीली बुलाते थे उनको कि भाई वो लोग आई हैं, आप प्लीज चलो उधर और उन लोग से बात करो आप। सो दिस वाज द स्टोरी ऑफ जर्नी ऑफ टीम परिणीता। एंड बहुत शॉर्ट में बता दी मैंने, क्योंकि हमें और भी बातें करनी है अभी। And I just want to keep this session a bit interactive one, and a bit other than studies, you know, बहुत सारी anatomy physiology बहुत पढ़ चुके हैं हम लोग, so I'm not going to repeat all those things here. Today is happy menstrual hygiene day, so I think we should just celebrate it happily. Now the other thing, the other part of this session is how you can be a part of our team. From any corner of this nation, you can be directly or indirectly connected to us. How? हम अपने एक दिन में एटलीस्ट 2 या 3 फीमेल्स से तो मिलते ही हैं, ऐसी जो अंडर प्रिविलेज कम्युनिटीज से होती हैं। लाइक हमारे घर में काम करने वाली बाई, हम वर्क प्लेस पे जाते हैं अगर, तो वहां पर भी काम करने वाली बाई, तो हम मान के चले हम 2 से 3 ऐसे लोगों से मिलते हैं हर दिन, एवरी डे, who are from an underprivileged background. That means we have 2 to 3 females whom we can aware of menstruation, of periods hygiene, and how we can just ask them a simple question. I did that and my team members did that. हम उनसे सीधे से एक पूछें क्वेश्चन कि आप मासिक धर्म में क्या इस्तेमाल करते हो? You know, that question is itself like a vajra for them, like a hammer. They don't want to answer you, but you have to just make them comfortable, and you have to tell them calmly that why you are asking this, what are the benefits of switching to sanitary pads and leaving clothes. और फिर ऐसे करते करते आप जब उन 3 फीमेल्स को ये चीज समझाओगे और फिर उनसे बोलोगे कि वो अपने घर जाकर किसी एक या किसी 2 को ये सेम चीज समझाएं, then the motto of Team Parinita will be achieved. And then I can assure you that you can be the part of our team. There are chats, there are some questions coming. Hi, were you able to do that? Guys, I'm coming to every question once I'll finish my session, okay? There will be a Q&A session at last. Okay. Now, coming to the other part. So this is the way I'm assuring you that you all will be the part of Team Parinita. Honestly, we'll not dissolve this group. You just tell us that how many females were there whom you have educated regarding this menstrual hygiene concept. The vision of Team Parinita is now, there are 2 visions, 2 main visions, that the underprivileged community females, for them, we have to switch them from clothes to sanitary pads. And for the urban communities, uh, we are expecting that we'll switch them from sanitary pads to the best option today. Yes, I can proudly say that our team Parinita, is proudly using menstrual cup from last 1 year. So I want to introduce this concept to all of you, that this is our vision. So आपको जो अंडर प्रिविलेज्ड कम्युनिटी की फीमेल मिलती है, आप उनको बताइए कि अब वो सैनिटरी पैड्स पे आए, क्योंकि आप उनको ये एकदम से कंसेप्ट दोगे मेंस्ट्रुअल कप का, दैट विल बी लाइक it will go up from their heads. So don't teach them like that. You just tell them that आपको क्या करना है, आप सैनिटरी पैड्स को इस्तेमाल करना शुरू करिए. आप उनको बेसिक चीजें बताओ कि सैनिटरी पैड्स की हमने ये प्रॉब्लम्स फेस करी हैं, हमने फीडबैक्स लिए थे फीमेल से, दे सेड वो तो लीक होने लगता है. भाई एक सैनिटरी पैड है, आप उसको अगर लगा के रखोगे 6 से 7 घंटे, वो लीक नहीं होगा तो क्या होगा. आपको उन्हें बताना है कि हैवी फ्लो डेज में शुरुआत के 1-2 दिन तक उनको सैनिटरी पैड्स बहुत फ्रीक्वेंटली चेंज करना है. उनको, हमको, हर किसी को जो भी सैनिटरी पैड लगाते हैं उन सबको 3 से 4 घंटे में सैनिटरी पैड्स बदल लेना है, चाहे वो पूरे फिल्ड अप हो चाहे ना हो, टू प्रिवेंट इन्फेक्शन. माइंडेड गर्ल्स, you have to do it, and you have to educate the girls like that. Wash your wash your private parts during your period days with lukewarm water or normal tap water. You need not to introduce anything inside, any chemical inside, because it will disturb the pH of the vagina. Then always dry your undergarments in the hard sunlight. Try to do it. What we usually do, we usually just put our undergarments on the wires, and then what we used to do, we just covered them by our towels. Usually all of us do that, because वो देखना नहीं चाहिए किसी को ना, बहुत ही शर्मिंदगी की चीज हो जाती है. But we should do it, strictly do that, specifically during our period days. It will again help prevent infection. Next, हम क्या करते हैं 3rd, 4th, 5th डे पे, जब हमें फ्लो, हैवी फ्लो नहीं होता है, usually keep our sanitary pads for so long. No, dear ones, don't do that. Just change them in 5 to 6 hours, even in your less flow days. Same things you have to simply explain to the other females. So in this way, the vision of Team Parinita will be successful. Now, अब बोलना चाहिए एक ऐसी चीज जो मतलब बहुत जरूरी है हम सबके लिए, जो हमने एक्सपीरियंस किया है टीम परिणीता ने, कि ऐसा करने से बहुत हम लोगों को रिलीफ मिला. दैट इज योगा. Seriously, the main thing that annoy all the females is the menstrual discomfort by any means, by stomach ache, by abdominal cramps, by muscle cramps, by back pain, and by kind of irritation, stress, anger, mood swings, and the list is so long for everyone. So the practical thing is, actually it will be very helpful for you if you will do it, and that is yoga. Today, and we Team Parinita, we are celebrating this menstrual hygiene week. Today is menstrual hygiene day, and we are celebrating it from last 5 days. And we have posted on one day, we have posted some yoga poses. I think few of you are on with us on the Facebook and Insta. They must have seen. We have shared those yoga poses. All of my team members, including me, we did some kind of yoga poses on, and we have posted it on Facebook, explaining the importance of yoga. here today I'm explaining you some basic, some 3 to 4 yoga poses. There are so many, but today I'm explaining you some basic yoga poses. First of all, I'll explain you the butterfly pose. I'll demonstrate you. Next, I will demonstrate you the Ardha Matsyendrasan pose. That is half Lord Fish pose, and then Shashankasan pose, and afterwards the wide angle pose. That is Upavishta Konasana. So, here I'm now going to demonstrate you all those poses one by one. The first pose, it is the best asana to relieve the menstrual cramps and the menstrual discomfort. I hope everyone can see me. Just are you able to see? Am I audible? Okay. Okay. Great. Butterfly pose. This is not a new pose for all of you. This is a very common pose. तितली आसन इसको बोलते हैं. आपको इस तरह से बैठ जाना है, ठीक है, और फिर आपको अपने पंजों को यूं पकड़ लेना है. Just hold your feet by both of your hands like this. In this position, just straighten your back. And the beauty of yoga comes out when you do a normal, quiet breathe in and breathe out with all your movements. So don't hold your breath. Just keep on doing breathe in and breathe out like this. When your legs come up, breathe in. It will be good, girls, if you'll do the yoga with me, so that you can just, it will help you to remember it. Here I want to tell you, what you can do is, you can do the pose like this, and you can just be seated in this pose for some time. It will give a good stretch to your gluteal region, to your spine, to all the muscles which actually aches during the period days. So it is the best pose I can say, and I can assure you. The first one, butterfly pose. Now for every pose, prepare your body by Sukhasana. This is Sukhasana. जो हम कहते हैं हम पालती मार के बैठते हैं, that is Sukhasana. So just prepare your body to do any yoga which I'm explaining by sitting in Sukhasana, relaxing your breath, relaxing your mind, body and soul. Do the breathe in and breathe out for at least 4 to 5 times before proceeding to next yogasana. Like this, and then we'll do the second yoga, that is wide angle pose, Upavishthasana. In this yoga, as the name suggests, wide angle forward band pose. What you need to do, you need to just keep your legs like this in a wide angle pose. Now what you need to do, you have to just bring both your hands forward, bring it down like this. आपको अपने बैक को थोड़ा सा ऐसे फॉरवर्ड Like the name suggests, forward bend करना है. Not like this. ऐसे नहीं करना है. Just bring your back forward in a straight manner. Like this. Now extend your neck. Now just be in this pose for 5 to 10 seconds. Those 5 to 10 seconds will be counted by your breathe in and breathe out. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can feel that there is a wonderful stretch coming in your hamstrings. First of all, definitely it will be painful, girls, but I assure you, by doing regularly, by doing regular practice, you will be able to do it with a lot of joy and happiness. Now again, we'll sit back in Sukhasana pose. Again, we'll relax our body and we'll quiet our breathing. Breathe in, breathe out. 1, breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5. In this manner, we have completed 2 yoga poses. Now, the third one is spinal twist, inverted spinal twist. That is Ardha Matsyendrasana. In this pose, what you need to do is you have to just cross both the legs, like this. You must have seen some people, usually they used to sit like this. Mostly the old age people, they just love to sit like this. And this is a very good asana. So as the name suggests, spinal twist. What you need to do, you have to just cross your legs like this and you have to turn towards right side. Just keep your hand like this on the ground. In this manner, you will get a twist on your spine. This pose will help a good supply of blood to the intervertebral disc and helps, it will stretch the rectus spinae muscle and it will definitely help reducing the back pain so nicely and so easily. So again, our big menstrual discomfort, the great back pain, that got a good ease because of this asana. So this is Ardha Matsyendrasana. Now again, we'll come. Okay, I forgot one thing, that yes, here also you need to just breathe in and breathe out, and you have to hold this pose for at least 10 seconds. If you cannot do it initially, just do it for 5 seconds and gradually just increase the time like this. Now, the fourth pose of the yoga is Shashankasana. Shashakasana, that is, the another name is child pose. Why it is called child pose, I'll tell you. You must have seen the small kids doing this pose so often. What you need to do is, you have to first sit in Vajrasana. Please don't go on my tummy, because I'm a mother of 5-month-old baby and a 5-year-old. So add 2 cesarean sections. So we'll reduce this and come up with another session of fitness for yoga, fitness by yoga. Okay. Today we are talking about reducing the menstrual discomfort by some of the yogas. First, we need to sit in Vajrasan. Vajrasan is not a new concept for all of us. We usually sit like this. Vajrasan is said to be a very good asana and a very good pose because it helps in digestion of food. हमें बोला जाता है अक्सर कि खाना खाने के बाद हमें कुछ देर तक इस पोजीशन में बैठना चाहिए and it actually helps relieving tension of all these muscles. So in Shashankasan, what you need to do, just bring your hands up, take deep breathe in, bend forward by breathe out. छोटे बच्चे इस पोज को बहुत एंजॉय करते हैं. Just remain in this pose for 5 to 10 seconds, doing breathe in and breathe out. The key points to remember in this yogasan is, this pose is, it will be good if you will touch your head on the ground while coming forward. But you need not to lift your buttocks up from your heel. Your heel and your buttocks will have a good contact all through the pose. So whether you will touch your head down or not, doesn't matter, but your buttocks should touch your feet. That is the main thing to remember for this yoga pose. You know, the kids can do it involuntarily. वो आराम से कर लेते because their body is very flexible. हमारी body उतनी flexible नहीं होती. इसीलिए हम अपने हेड को जब टच करने की कोशिश करते हैं, हम ये भूल जाते हैं कि हमारे यहाँ से बटक एरिया उठ गया. जब हम बटक को उठा लेंगे, then there will be no stretch on your spine, and what we need here is a good stretch on our spinal muscles. This yoga is very helpful in stretching all the muscle area of your spine and cooling and calming your mind and your anger. So see, we have 4 yoga poses today, which will relieve our stretch, which will relieve our muscle cramps, which will ease our back pain, and which will help ease our anger, which are the biggest discomfort while on our period. So these are the yoga poses. Now, we are coming towards the end of the session, and by the session ending, I just want to introduce and explain you a little about menstrual cup. Okay. First of all, I just want to just a quick check. How many of you are using menstrual cup? Okay. Vidita is using it. Okay, that's great, Vidita. But it leaks. Okay. Sometimes when most needed, when we go out. Okay. Fine. So we consider that a few of us are using. Okay. We consider this, that few of Girls, are you please share how do you? Okay. Guys, aware about it but not using. Suchita. Okay. Okay. I'm coming to everyone. मैं बेसिक चीजें बता देती हूँ, शायद आप सबके कुछ क्वेश्चंस उनसे ऐसे ही आंसर आपको मिल जाएंगे. Menstrual cup. How I got to know about it? Due to fear of leakage, didn't use. Okay, Sabha. I'm coming to you, dear. One of our respected senior, Dr. Usha Mulik ma'am, who was a principal of Chaitram Nursing College, who was the ex-principal of Chaitram Nursing College. She introduced me the concept of menstrual cup. She gifted me one menstrual cup, expecting with the expectation that Pranita, now you will use this. And I was like, ma'am, this menstrual cup. She said yes. I will like, okay, ma'am, I'll try my best. And then मैं घर गई, मैंने YouTube पे वीडियोस देखे, हमने अपने टीम की एक मीटिंग बुलाई और फिर उसके बाद हम सब ने वो वीडियो देखा. And I'm telling you guys, our first reaction to see that video of menstrual cup was like, ew, menstrual cup कैसे यूज करेंगे, मतलब अंदर डालना एंड नहीं बिल्कुल यूज नहीं कर सकते. No. We are happy in our packs. Okay, we are happy. That was our first reaction to see the video of menstrual cup. But girls, I'm telling you, afterwards, one of our teammates who were about to go to abroad for her further studies, she have started using it. First, she actually, yes, that when I have seen that video, yes, then when I got my periods next time, then I have used it with all my dare. I just went in washroom and I gave a full try to it, and yes, I did that. But yes, there was leakage and there was discomfort. But there is a thing in my mind that, okay, I think by practice I can just use it. And after some time, Sakshi told all of us that she have started using it because she's now going abroad. So I think there will be a very good thing using menstrual cup because it's much economical, it's much skin friendly, it's nature friendly. So she have started using it. By that, all of us are like, oh my God, that's great. Because at that time, our other team member, Ruchita, she was also trying using it. And gradually, all of us have started using that menstrual cup. Then I got pregnant and there was no periods. So again, I have stopped using it. तो मतलब मेरा वो एक्सपीरियंस आ ही नहीं पाया था एक अच्छा वाला. अभी आफ्टर डिलीवरी अभी तक मेरे पीरियड्स आए नहीं है, तो इसीलिए अब मैं वापस से लगाना स्टार्ट नहीं कर पाई हूँ. बट आई कैन प्राउडली से दैट माय अदर टीम मेंबर्स, साक्षी, रुचिता, रुचिका, शिल्पी, रितु, everyone, we team Parinita are proudly using menstrual cup. Menstrual cup, some question is coming abhi aaya tha ki what is menstrual cup. Basically, menstrual cup is a silicone type of thing, that is a bucket shape of thing, is shape ka or conical shape ka, that you have to put that you have to insert in your vulvar area. अब कई फीमेल्स के मैंने क्वेश्चंस पढ़े थे, बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस थे, अगर वो अंदर चला गया तो प्लीज गाइस, वो अंदर कैसे जाएगा? जिसने वो बनाया है वो इतना बेवकूफ तो नहीं होगा ना कि उसने उसको ऐसा बना दिया कि वो अंदर चला जाए। नो, आपको यहाँ पर अपना थोड़ा सा एनाटमी यूज करनी रहेगी। यहाँ मैं आपको कोई डेमो सेशन या कुछ ऐसा कुछ नहीं दे रही हूँ। आई एम जस्ट टेकिंग अ फ्यू बेसिक थिंग्स अबाउट menstrual cup. It is made up of silicone. That is why it is skin friendly. It is much more economical. It comes in various prices. Starting range 300, 400 to 2000 or much more. आप जितना ज्यादा रेंज का लेंगे वो उतना अच्छा रहेगा, उसकी ड्यूरेबिलिटी उतनी ज्यादा रहेगी। हम लोगों ने जो लिया था दैट इज लाइक, आपको को अभी काफी जगह पे ऑफर्स मिल जाएंगे अच्छे, फर्स्ट क्राई पे, अमेजोन पे, ऑन एनीथिंग। आप कोई भी एक अच्छी कंपनी का मेंस्ट्रुअल कप मंगवा सकते हैं। वन मेंस्ट्रुअल कप कैन सस्टेन से अबाउट, अगर हमने 800 का मेंस्ट्रुअल कप लिया, it can sustain its life is almost 6 to 7 years. आप सोचिए, हम सैनिटरी पैड्स हर महीने खरीदते हैं। सपोज विल यूज, अगर हम बेसिक स्टे फ्री भी बात करें, अगर हम सबसे सस्ता सैनिटरी पैड भी अगर हम उसकी बात करें, तो इट विल कम इन 30 रुपीज। हमें एटलीस्ट 50 या 55 या 60 रुपीज के सैनिटरी पैड्स एवरी मंथ लगते हैं। इसके बाद ये 60 रुपीज मल्टीप्लाई कर लो 1 ईयर से, और यही मल्टीप्लाई कर लो विथ 7 to 8 years। आप देखोगे, यू विल क्लियरली सी के माय गॉड, वी आर सेविंग अ लॉट बाय यूजिंग मेंस्ट्रुअल कप। तो ये तो बात हो गई इकोनॉमिकल की। नाउ वन बिटर फैक्ट आई वांट टू टेल यू गर्ल्स, वो एक सैनिटरी पैड जो हम लगाते हैं, और जब हम उसको, हमारा काम कहाँ तक रहता है, वी जस्ट डंप इट इन अवर डस्टबिन, एंड वी नाउ वी जस्ट डंप इट इन द कचरा गाड़ी जो आती है सुबह सुबह। हम उसके पीछे वाली बकेट में उसको फेंक देते हैं, एंड आवर टेंशन इज गॉन। ओके, द सैनिटरी पैड इज जस्ट आउट ऑफ अवर हाउस एंड आउट ऑफ अवर विजन एंड माइंड। कहानी उसके बाद शुरू होती है, और कहानी ऐसी रहती है, one sanitary pad will take around 700 to 800 years to decompose. That means it is causing a big harm to our mother earth. And girls, wake up, please. We have to save this land. We have to save our earth for the future generations of ours. So this fact is the most serious fact which we should keep in our minds. We should actually start using menstrual cup because of this hard fact. हमारे सबके इस दुनिया से चले जाने के भी बहुत बाद तक सैनिटरी पैड जिंदा रहता है, वो एक सैनिटरी पैड। आप सोचिए कितनी फीमेल सैनिटरी पैड यूज कर रही हैं और हम उन्हें डंप करते हैं। सो दैट इज नॉट अ बायोडिग्रेडेबल थिंग। सो think about it. And I know that many of you just want to ask a lot of things about menstrual cup, but please dear ones, this today's session is not exclusively about menstrual cup. And still, if you want to know a lot about it, you can just go to our Facebook page, and you can just follow our Instagram page. You will get a good video that we have shared last month while we were celebrating the Earth Day week. So we have shared a very good video by our eminent team member Ruchita Sharma. She was explaining every bit of menstrual cup, so you can just go through it. And soon, today only I'm announcing that very soon we are going to conduct another webinar exclusively on menstrual cup, and there you will get ample things to know about it. So Fatima, I think we should just what is your FB and Insta ID name? There we'll share everything on the group. Okay, the group we have formed that group now, WhatsApp group. We are going to share each and everything there. Okay, so I think the time is running. So yes, girls, honest feedback from all of you, and yes, you can ask whatever you want. Hmm. Fatima, I'm not able to unmute you. I don't know why. Okay, shall I unmute all?
Hello.
Yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am. Hi. The session was really great. Thank you so much for enlightening us, and we enjoyed the session a lot. Everybody, we will be actually sending the link of Facebook, and the event will be live over there. So the recording will be also over there. So you guys can go and like that page and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. I'll be sending the information in the group. Ma'am, we had few questions that were not answered, so I'll just ask you a few of them.
Yes, yes. Ask Fatima.
Yes, ma'am. Were you able to introduce any physiotherapeutic pain relief strategies to the female population?
The physiotherapy reducing
Strategies.
mortality
Uh,
strategies.
yes.
Okay. The most important pain relieving strategy is the yoga, which I have just demonstrated, right? And the other things are you can do meditation and you can do some good exercises with this. I just want to focus your attention on this. Still, if you have any doubt, you can just ask me. Okay, next.
Okay, ma'am. Then someone did ask me about the disposal part of pads. And
Okay,
how do we actually show the community and ask them to do it?
okay. Uh, regarding disposing the sanitary pads, dear, even we are looking forward to have a good option for that. And I assure you, believe me, we team Parinita are just going to have a good research, and we are digging our minds to have a good idea and to have a good trick for this. Once we'll get to know it, we'll definitely tell you all about it. And till then, I just want to request all of you that just leave the sanitary pads for the underprivileged community and just switch to menstrual cup. That is my humble request to everyone. See, in that manner, you this question itself vanish. ये क्वेश्चन आएगा ही नहीं ना, जब सैनिटरी पैड
Definitely.
होगा ही नहीं तो क्या करेंगे. So that is
Bilkul.
the thing. Next, Fatima.
Yes, ma'am. The next question is someone did ask me that if they can apply to join our team Parinita.
Yes, dear, you can. You are from where?
Ma'am, from Indore.
Okay. So yes, you can join. I told you na, all of you are part of Team Parinita. Whether you will be in our core team or not, I will consider you all as a part of my team from now on. Just focus on the points which I have told you. The basic thing is thoroughly you have to think about the society, the mother nature, and the people who are not getting resources. You know, जब से हमने टीम परिणीता स्टार्ट किया है ना, आई कैन प्राउडली से हमें बहुत नेम और फेम सब कुछ मिला है ना, बहुत प्यार मिला सबका, बहुत सारे ताने भी मिले और बहुत सारे कमेंट्स भी हुए, बहुत जगह हमारा लेग पुलिंग भी हुआ. But I'm not talking about that. I'm just talking about the name and fame and the love we have received. But guys, सिर्फ उस नेम और फेम के लिए हमको टीम परिणीता नहीं बनानी, हमको टीम परिणीता को एक्सटेंड नहीं करना है. आप जहां हैं, आप वहीं से जो हमने बताया और जो हम करते हैं वो करना स्टार्ट करें. You are a part of our team, I assure you. And yes, soon once this lockdown is over, all of us will have a good time with each other, and we'll see each other in a very nice meeting. Okay. Next question.
Yes, ma'am. If there is leakage even after using menstrual cup, then what is the solution for that thing? It's by Diane Culling.
Okay. Okay. Again, dear, I'm telling you na, we are going to conduct a good session on this menstrual cup in detail very soon. I'll not disclose the date right now. We'll plan it and then we'll disclose it. But yes, for now, अगर आपका menstrual cup leak कर रहा है, that means you have not placed it properly. First and foremost thing, the menstrual cup never leaks once it will have a good vacuum. जब आपका menstrual cup अंदर जाएगा, it will just open up and it will have a good vacuum. When the vacuum is created, it will never leak. अगर menstrual cup इतना बड़ा है, तो हमारे हम उसे एक बार में, अगर हमने उसे मॉर्निंग में लगाया तो it can hold, we can just hold it up to next morning even in your heavy flow days. I'm telling you girls, but for the safer side, we just instruct you to hold to just keep it for 10 to 12 hours or 8 hours in the beginning. तब भी आपका menstrual cup सिर्फ इतना fill होगा, सिर्फ इतना तब भी empty रहेगा. So the first thing which should come in your mind is the menstrual cup is not properly inserted, that's why it's leaking. So just hold it nicely, insert it properly. There should be a proper vacuum, and it will not have any leakage. Okay. Hope I am answering your questions. If still if there is any doubt, you can ask us on the group. We'll give you the answers.
We'll
Yes,
try
ma'am.
answering maximum questions as possible. Ma'am, the next question is, please mention name of yoga poses once again.
Okay, which I told you today. Girls,
Yes.
there are many yoga poses, you know, but actually, even some yoga poses are right now are contraindicated for me because I had a cesarean section and it's just 5 months. तो इसीलिए मैंने उतने योगा पोजेस आपको नहीं करके बताया. आपको हमारे फेसबुक पेज पे 2 और योगा पोज भी मिल जाएंगे. Butterfly pose, that is Titli Asan, that is very common and very important and very I can say the best pose for treating menstrual problems is butterfly pose, that is Baddha Konasana. Baddha Konasana first. Second one is Ardha Matsyendrasana, that is half Lord of Fish pose, it is called. The third one is Shashankasana, the rabbit pose or child pose. And the fourth one is Upavishth Konasana, that is wide angle forward band pose. These are the names of 4 asanas.
Thank you so much, ma'am. These asanas, we have actually photographed it and we have posted on our groups and Instagram and Facebook accounts. So even if there are still any doubts, you ma'am, the next question is, I want to continue Parinita work, need your support to aware rural women.
Okay.
Rajpur.
Uh,
Right now,
from
I'm living in Ali Rajpur.
Rajpur. Is it in UP? I think
No, ma'am, it's in MP.
Ali Rajpur. Okay. Mm, what is the name of this girl?
Sabah.
Sabah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Sabah, you can just start. Very good initiative you want to do. I want to congratulate you for this. You just can't do it by yourself. Just do it alone at first. Don't urge the people to come and join and then you do it. No, just start doing it alone. Just uh, start with your mates who are coming to your house, and then कोई भी एक पास की कम्युनिटी सिलेक्ट करके वहां डोर टू डोर जाकर आप स्टार्ट करो. उसके बाद आप अपनी किसी भी फ्रेंड को, रिलेटिव को, जो भी आपके पास में रहते हो, अवेलेबल हो, उनको आप इस चीज को बताओ, and they will definitely join, and you can just keep writing your feedback on this group so that we can know and we can help you. Okay.
Ma'am, she is your student from Ali Rajpur.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I think yes, I can now remember. Yes. Okay.
Yes,
Next.
ma'am. Ma'am, I think almost all the questions are done. I'll just check once again. Yes, there is another question on WhatsApp. Someone did ask me that can we do can we do exercises during menstruation and somewhere high intensity exercises?
No, that is something we should not do. See, पुराने जमाने में क्यों फीमेल्स को आइसोलेटेड रखा जाता था? इसलिए रखा जाता था बिकॉज दे आर लूजिंग ब्लड फ्रॉम देयर बॉडी एंड दे शुड डू रेस्ट. दैट्स व्हाई उन्हें आइसोलेटेड रखा जाता था, उनको घर के काम नहीं करने दिए जाते थे. बट आज के टाइम में लोगों ने जो बातें याद रखी वो सिर्फ ये कि उनको मंदिर नहीं जाना, उनको अचार नहीं छूना, उनको ये नहीं छूना, वो नहीं छूना. रेस्ट सब भूल गए. सी, हमारे जो पूर्वज थे ना, उन्होंने काफी कुछ बहुत सोच समझ कर किया और बनाए हैं काफी सारे नियम. तो हमको उन्हें सोचना चाहिए एक बार. रेस्ट एक ऐसी चीज है दैट वी शुड स्ट्रिक्टली डू ड्यूरिंग अवर पीरियड्स. I'm telling you, and I have demonstrated you the yoga poses. The yoga poses are not at all the high intensity exercises. Every yoga pose is like in which you will help yourself and they will help relieve your menstrual discomfort. The high intensity exercises will again give you some kind of because at that time you are a bit weak. So don't exhaust yourself a lot. You can do exercises, but not high intensity. Low intensity exercises, of course, you can do. You can do walk. You can do, even you can do stair climbing, and you can do all the light exercises you can do. There is no problem.
Ma'am, it's the last question. Okay, there are two more questions. What about athletes if they have any international or national competition? So the preps definitely need high intensity workout.
Pardon, can I have the question again, Fatima?
Yes,
I
ma'am.
would another question. Yes.
What about athletes if they have any international or national competition. So the preps definitely need high intensity workout. That's by Oshmi Pal.
Ushmi, okay. So Ushmi, here I want to answer you. If a person whose body is not resistant to high intensity exercise and she will start doing it, definitely she will injure her body. Okay. Now, if we are talking about athletes, yes, their body their body is all resistant to those kind of exercises. I'm talking about a normal body. आज मैं अगर एकदम से high intensity exercise करने लगूं तो no, I should not do it. Some females are doing swimming and all because they are used to do it. So there is no universal fact that we should not do it. Every body is different. Every body has a different stamina. अगर कोई इंसान पहले से वो चीजें करता आया है तो she should do it, she should continue doing it. But one person who is not accustomed to such kind of things, they should not jump to all those things immediately and abruptly. That is the main concept. And I think uh, all of us are physios here, and we know the basic concept behind exercise therapy. So I think we all should know that one body is different from other body. Athletes know what is their stamina and they do the things like that. So if an athlete is doing high intensity exercise, that is okay, that is suitable for her body. But one normal individual who is not subjected to do all those things should not jump to all those things. Yes.
Ma'am, this is the last question of today. Have any research or study been done by your team on this program? It's by Swapnila Jacob.
Okay. We are doing research right now. Our research is in progress. Once it will done, we'll going to send it to WHO, and definitely you'll all get to know about it very soon.
Okay,
Anything
ma'am.
else, Fatima?
No, ma'am. I think it's done. Thank you so much once again for this amazing session that you have taken. I hope everybody has enjoyed the session. And if there are still any doubts, people can leave it in the group, and I hope ma'am will definitely answer them, all of them. At least we'll try doing most of the questions. Also, one announcement to make: we are hosting a slogan competition. So the entries will be till 8 p.m. So I want maximum of the participants from here also to participate, and ma'am will be the one who will choose the best slogans. So we hope that everybody actually be a part of it. And happy menstrual hygiene day to everyone. Thank you so much, ma'am, once again, and to all the IAP and CEC members who have been continuously in touch with us and has made this event possible. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Fatima, to have a good hold on the question answer session. Thank you. I genuinely want to thank my superb team members, the spine of this team. My dearest sister Ruchita Sharma, Shilpi Yadav, Fatima, Ruchika, Sakshi, Ritu Sahu. I want to thank all of you who always take all my ups and downs on their head and all my anger on their heads, and still they celebrated and they just made it the celebration of this menstrual hygiene week in a very nice manner. I sincerely want to extend my thank you to all the respected IAP members. I want to thank you, our national president, Dr. Sanjeev Jha sir, the head of the national head of Women's Cell, IAP Women's Cell, Dr. Ruchi Varshney ma'am, and all the respected CEC members all the respected IAP Women Cell MP state members and all the respected IAP Women Cell MP state members. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Sumant sir, for all your support. It was a very great, humble support from you. Thank you, sir. And thank you so much, everyone, to encouraging me for this session and to have a great response. I'm obliged, I'm thankful to all of you. That is a blessing for me that today on this menstrual hygiene day, I could be able to connect with all of you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And now we'll be ending the session. If there are any doubts, you can leave it in the group. Thank you so much once again.